Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to live stream your phone screen on YouTube. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go to Play Store, then you should search for Streamlab. Once you open Streamlabs, you need to install it on your phone. It's not that big, it's only 30.69 megabytes. And now what you should do is to simply go and click on open. And now once you open it, you should go and choose YouTube. Then you will have to log in using your account. Your YouTube account that is attached to the channel that you are going to stream on. So keep that in mind. Then I'm going to click on continue again. And now simply click on okay, no problem. Give it the permission. Then click on while using the app. Hit the next. Now click on go live in the middle. I do not need all of these. I just need to click on go live. Then you want to toggle the first option on. Then click on the broadcaster 2. And now you can simply click on new broadcast. Then click on next. You can now here adjust the settings. You can adjust the frame rate, the bit rate. Also, here is the bit rate. Here is the quality, video quality itself. And here you have whether you want it public, unlisted, or private. So here in my case, you can also upload a thumbnail, but simply I'll click on go live. You can also change the stream title and the description. I'm going to name it test, for example. Then I'm going to click on go live. You should name it in order to go live. And once you go live, click on while using the app. And you're all done. Now you're live. Now, once you want to unstream it or simply you want to stop it, simply click on stop and click on stop like so. Then click on end YouTube live session. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.